So we just want to talk about tonight. I don't know what Cliff wants to say, but
just want to recap, and if there's anything that stuck out to you that you want to talk about.
One of the things that I'm having a hard time wrapping my head around, or like it hasn't really, just the reality of like Letty's situation.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It was really hard meeting Letty today and learning about her life.
My name is Legan Said. I am 12 years older. Chifukwa kuna kuti majiko samati. Ngari mai wa mwanayo timeli maono mwate mato maganiza zintu zauri magulana akali ko bwizi bandani tiraja maruso ajitambizo
moyo wako ndio utani kukhala upanda makolo wangu sile ni makolo wangu moyo wako akhala utani
moyo wangu akhala udanda ulepo makolo wangu ni makano.
Our vision for Mary's Meals is that every child in the world should be able to receive at least one good meal every day in their place of education. And we believe that's possible in this world of plenty.
Simplicity is feeding children in schools. What is there more simple? Every woman, every man knows that a child needs food. Without food, can do nothing.
The concept of Mary's Meals, we deliver food in the context of education.
The idea of Mary's Meals can change the world.
Just food. Good food in schools.
Working in the world's poorest communities, that so often the poorest children can't go to school because they're working, because they're begging on street corners. They're just doing whatever it takes to put the next meal on the table. and therefore they miss out on their education, which is the key to lifting the world's poorest communities out of poverty. In India, we're working in communities where there are very particular obstacles around education.
And in India, the poorest of the poor cannot go to formal schools.
The girls in communities like the ones where we provide these meals normally never go to school.
मतलब कहते हैं बेशक हम आज़ाद देश में रह रहे हैं, औरत लोग आज़ाद देश में रहे हैं, आज़ादी मिली हुई है.
Either in the slums or in the rural villages, the girls are treated as second-class children because education of girl children is considered to be useless.
भेदभाव जो है वो नहीं होना चाहिए, जितना लड़के को मानते हैं उतना ही लड़की को भी मानना चाहिए.
आज के उसमें लड़कियों को अच्छा नहीं माना जाता, इसलिए लड़कियां थोड़ा स्कूल में कम है. जितने भी स्कूल हैं डांस के अंदर सभी में कम है.
माँ बाप को होनी चाहिए ना फिर पढ़ाने की. तो गरीब है इस वजह से न बिठाए.
Families who traditionally didn't send their daughters to school are now sending them to school because they know they will be able to eat.
Before Mary's Meals came, we had a lot of problems. There were a lot of dropouts.
They were not coming to school. They drop out of the school because they were eating nothing when coming from home.
A lot of runners were complaining, I'm sick, I'm having stomachache, I'm having headache. It was due to hunger. Maybe because their stomachs were empty.
The teachers could not impart knowledge to the learners in the manner that it ought to be, because the learners were hungry anyway. So if you are talking to a hungry person, you can as well forget that you are talking to anyone.
Amamfa muna mimba umango kuitika kumango panga kalina nseru nkumadandawana za yakujayo.